Hello everyone, I, Sheetal Sonone, welcome you all on the behalf of Signal Public School. Next few minutes, I will be with you to introduce about World Leprosy Day. World Leprosy Day is observed internationally every year on the last Sunday of January to increase the public awareness of leprosy or Hansen's disease. So the leprosy also we can call it Hansen's disease. So this date was chosen by French humanitarian Raoul Falerio as a tribute to the life of Mahatma Gandhi, who had compassion for the people afflicted with leprosy. So leprosy, it is one of the oldest recorded disease in the world. So it is an infectious chronic disease and it targets the nervous system, especially the nerves in the cooler part of the body, the hands, feet and the face. So the leprosy, what exactly the meaning of leprosy? So the leprosy also known as the Hansen disease and it is a chronic infectious disease. Leprosy, we will say that it is a chronic infectious disease and it is caused by Mycobacterium leprae. So that Mycobacterium leprae, it is a rod-shaped bacteria. The disease mainly affects the skin, the peripheral nerves, mucosal surface of the upper respiratory tract and the eyes. So leprosy is known to occur at all ages ranging from early infancy to very old age. So there are different kinds of the symptoms. Which are that symptoms? So symptoms of the leprosy. The main symptom of a leprosy is disfiguring skin sores. Like here you can observe the slide. So disfiguring the skin sores, lumps or the bumps that don't go away after several weeks or the month. The skin sores are the pale colored and the nerve damages. Whenever the nerve damages, it can lead to loss of feeling in the arm and the legs and even muscle weaknesses too. The leprosy, it is usually takes about 3 to 5 years for symptoms to appear after coming into contact with the bacteria that causes leprosy. So some people do not develop symptoms until 20 years later. So leprosy, already I told you that it is a contagious disease. So today about 2,08,000 people worldwide are infected with leprosy. According to the World Health Organization, that is WHO, the most of them in Africa and Asia. So the leprosy primarily affects your skin and nerves outside your brain and the spinal cord. We can call it peripheral nerves. It may also strike your eyes and the thin tissue lining the inside of your nose. So how the leprosy can be prevented? How we can prevent the leprosy? Now the leprosy can be prevented. So whenever the prevention of a contact with droplets from the nasal and other secretion from patients with untreated M. leprosy, that is Mycobacterium leprosy. Infection is currently the most effective way to avoid the disease. So treatment of the patient with appropriate antibiotics stop the person from spreading the disease. So while taking proper prevention, we can avoid leprosy. So prevention is better than cure. So do take care of yourself. Thank you.